My name is Dr. J.K.A. Jameel. I'm a senior consultant in the Department of Surgical Gastroenterology and Minimal Access Surgery at Apollo Hospitals in Greaves Road. The term hernia is a familiar term for many, but not many are aware of the exact reasons as to why hernia develops, what sort of symptoms it causes, and what sort of treatment modalities are available. Over the next few minutes, we'll try and discuss some of these, and I hope you will find this video beneficial. Hernia is basically a defect or a gap in the abdominal wall, and through this defect, the contents of the abdominal cavity, such as the bowel or the fat, we call it as omentum, comes out and protrudes and causes problems. There are different types of hernia. If the hernia occurs in the groin, it goes by the name inguinal hernia. If it happens around the umbilicus, it's called a parumbilical hernia. If it happens quite higher up in the abdomen, in the epigastric region, we call it as an epigastric hernia. These are some of the names that we give for different types of hernias. There are many more. In addition to these hernias, which we can group as abdominal wall hernias, there's also another set of hernia such as hiatus hernia and internal hernia. Now these are entirely different entities,